this the Salt and Vinegar Chicken Wing Challenge. First challenge, big carve. Second challenge, progressive space. And third is yet to be decided depending on what's on offer this first hour. They're these super moist, juicy chicken wings from Foodland in the Dirty Deli section. Not good. Hughie absolutely adores these wings, so if he loses, there's going to be some gummy spitting going down. Here he is, look! Sal, big car, mate. Oh, that was sick! Oh, this is the car. Oh, no, God! Woo! That was sick! Go now. Oh, that was sick! Woo! Best out of 3. Eden just took the cake. He got basically a 5, a 7, 5 and an 8. 8 being like I'm just judging kind of out of 10 what their carve is. And super tight, super top to bottom, held his rail for super long, so he dropped an 8. Sal out of 6 was pretty cool backhand one where she was pretty creative and discovered a new line. She was pretty frothing on, but she got a 6 for that. And then Hughie just had a couple of bobbles. So those wings are slowly moving further and further away from Hughie's mouth. So we're going into the progressive space now. So we've narrowed it down to either a big layback, like an inverted kind of layback, where you kind of get the fins out the back, or you go into the air, or even just anything where your tail's facing towards the beach. So that's how we go now.
Yeah. Hey, turn me up in the headphones a little bit.
Yes, Hughie!
Yeah. Feels good, baby.
Oh, that's a hammer.
Hey, turn my mic up a little bit too.
Oh, that was sick.
I wanna feel it.
Yeah.
Wake up in the morning, Friday, feeling like I should. Paycheck came, so you know I'm good. It's my day off.
So the last little drill we're gonna do, literally, I'm just gonna say 15 minutes. And it's just high scoring rides. Alright, let's do it, Hughie. 15 minutes. Alright, here we are in the final round. 15 minutes, best one wave. Combining the two, progressive and carve, whatever you want to do. Winner takes all. At the moment, we've got Eden taking the win on the carve, Hughie taking the progression space, and now basically it's best one wave score. So Eden or Hughie take this one, they get the 6, half a dozen bloody juicy, moist, dirty Foodland chicken wings. Let's get it on.
You know we don't stop. Real hip hop, we got it on lock, like yeah. And you know we don't stop. Real hip hop, we got it on lock, like yeah. That's right, you know we don't stop. We came to rock, we on your block, like yeah.
And the winner of the Salt and Vinegar Dirty Deli Challenge, Hughie Vaughan! Big back end rotator on the end there.
Yeah, it feels good. I'm really hungry, getting some chicken wings up me. So good.